Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to become successful with Shopify. And yeah, this is not about luck, it's about building the right system in 2026. Success with Shopify starts with choosing the right product. You want something people already want, something that solves a clear problem, and something that isn't impossible to ship or support. I mean, if the product doesn't sell, nothing else matters. Next, focus on building a clean and trustworthy store. Your website should load fast, look professional, and be easy to navigate. Use clear product images, simple descriptions, and remove anything that confuses visitors. Yeah, clarity always converts better than fancy design. Pricing is another big factor. Don't race to the bottom. Instead, price based on value, customer trust, and competitor research. Make sure shipping, taxes, and returns are clearly explained so customers feel safe buying from you. Now let's talk about traffic. You can have the best store in the world, but without visitors, nothing happens. Use a mix of organic traffic like SEO and social content, along with paid ads when your budget allows. Test slowly, watch the data, and scale what works. Customer experience plays a huge role in long-term success. Respond to messages quickly, be transparent, and always follow through on promises. Happy customers come back. And yeah, they also recommend your store to others. You should also track your numbers inside Shopify Analytics. Pay attention to conversion rate, average order value, and repeat purchases. These metrics tell you what to improve and where you're losing money. Automation helps you grow without burning out. Use Shopify apps for email follow-ups, abandoned carts, and order updates so your store runs smoothly even when you're not online. Finally, keep learning and adapting. Trends change, customer behavior changes, and successful Shopify owners adjust fast instead of giving up. Consistency beats motivation every single time. So that's how to become successful with Shopify step by step in 2026. If this video helped you, like it, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify growth guides, and I'll see you in the next one.